Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to learn a very important chapter of class 9th history book. The chapter number is chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is The French Revolution. The French Revolution. Today's chapter is very important in the perspective of exams in class 9th. It contains a lot of weightage, right? So just to understand this, first of all we should understand what is a revolution, right? So revolution means political change, and a political change done by a large number of people in a very short time. A political change done by a large number of people in a very short period of time is called revolution. And while this revolution took place in France, so this how it becomes French Revolution, right? So we can understand the revolution. And what is the French Revolution? A political change done by a large number of people in a very short period of time. All right. So now this political change and everything was done by a large number of people. This number of people were there on a date, that is 14th of July 1789. On this date, a large number of people were gathered in a city. They were protesting, they were marching, and they were all doing this against the King of France. The King of the France. The King of the France was at that moment of time Louis XVI. Please make sure you remember this. The name of the king was Louis XVI. And they were protesting against it. They were having lots of weapons in their hand and they were marching towards a jail. And there were many prisoners there. And the name of the jail was Bastille. The name of the jail was Bastille Jail, and they were marching against it, and they were going there just to show their anger against the king Louis XVI. And they were doing this because the jail was the symbol of the power of King Louis XVI, right? And what did they do? They marched against it. They killed their security chief. He was dead. And the people who were in the jail came out of it. So you getting the point? Yeah, they were doing all this thing against the king, right? And why this all hustle was happening? Just look at it. We have to understand the entire concept just to know what is the reason of this entire thing. So before going further, I would just like to share one more thing. The king's family name was Bourbon, right? Bourbon family. The biscuit Bourbon, yes, this is the same one, but it does not belong to this family only, right? Yeah. So the reasons behind all of this hustle was the sudden increase in the taxes and various other charges were imposed over those people, and they were not liking it, obviously. So they tried to protest against him, and that all thing became the revolution of the people of France, right? But they were doing this because of the entire France government had no money, right? They had no money at all, and this entire thing did happen, and it will be asked in the examination with the marks 5. It will be a 5 marks question in the examination, that why this all French Revolution took place. So what you need to do, you need to give the 5 specific points so that you can tell all of this thing, right? So first of all, we would understand that the king was just a sort of self-focused person, and he was always into his wife. He was married to the Princess of Austria, right? He was married to the Princess of Austria. Her name was Maria, and she was from Austria. Not from the Australia, but Austria, right? Remember this. Yeah, and he was married to her, right? So this was a very self-focused person. Just we would like to go ahead and further understand what were the basic reasons against this person to protest, right? So as I said, there was no money. So why there was no money? We would understand this. First of all, he had a very big place called Versailles, the Palace of Versailles. And like any other king, he had this palace, and it was a very huge and beautiful palace. And the first reason behind this no money thing was this palace. Why? We would just understand this. Like any other house or any other building, this palace needed maintenance. So very first point was the maintaining of palace of Versailles, right? It needed a lot of money to look after this palace, and it was the very main reason behind it. Number 2 was this person, he liked what? Fighting a lot. This entire Bourbon family, they loved fighting. They loved to do war, right? And the basic enemy of them all was Britain, right? So Mr. Louis XVI, his father Louis XV, and his father Louis XIV, they all fought a lot of wars, and everybody has knows that war require money. So you need to put a lot of money to just fight a war, right? So the basic 2 reasons was maintaining of the palace and the war. Number 3, as I already said, the main enemy of these people was Britain. So Britain was also having a lot of, you know, power at that moment of time, and he was claiming 13 American colonies at that moment of time, right? And this France, the people of the France, or the king of the France, they did not like Britishers at all, so they gave 28 million lire to fight Americans against British, right? So this 13 American colonies got 28 million lire from France to fight Britishers, right? The fourth important point is this person took loan from the lenders, right? And then loan was a very huge principal amount, and they used to charge 10% interest against loan they provided. And it was a huge amount, right? And the fifth and the very important point is other stuff like salaries, there was a post office there, hospital maybe, like as I said, post office, hospitals, there were many government official buildings, and there was also the government employees, they need to be paid their salary. So these salaries and the government official buildings to look after was a huge responsibility to take care of, right? So these are the 5 points. First of all, the maintaining of the Palace of Versailles. Number 2, the war against Britishers. Number 3, the help given to the 13 American colonies as 28 million lire. Number 4 is 10% interest on the loan that he got. And the last is the maintaining and running and functioning of all the government official buildings, and the employees were about to get their salaries. Alright, so these entire thing were the basic main reason of the French Revolution. So in today's lecture we are going to learn this only, and in the further coming lectures we'll be learning more about this French Revolution. Thank you.